a 413-kilometer journey to the border of Maharashtra and Goa to witness the culture and architecture of two villages across the border, Tiracol and Reddy. A little pit stop to the heart of Savantwadi, the Savantwadi Palace. Overlooking the lake, this palace is home to the royal Savant family. Adorned with a massive glass chandelier and an interesting patterned ceiling, this palace is one of the few places which has preserved the art of the Ganjifa cards. A part of the palace is now converted into a museum housing antiquities from sculptures and photographs to paintings and vessels. Where the border ends, Tiracol starts, an entirely Catholic village within 2 square kilometers. Its main attraction being Fort Tiracol, which is now converted into a boutique hotel. A rather abandoned and eerie village which had seen a drastic change when most of its residents left their homes and moved away for work. Small pathways paved by the remaining residents, moving around, all leading to the seafront. The voices of birds and animals and the waves crashing against the rocks, all dominating the silence of the abandoned houses. Small lanes created by an organic growth of the village were interesting to walk through. The houses around here were very vibrant with their choice of colors, reflecting typical Goan and Portuguese architecture. The rustling of dried leaves as we walked over them, all leading to something interesting, or sometimes a dead end. Walking through quite a maze, the residents along the way were nothing but helpful and curious by seeing a bunch of 40 students evade their village. Encounters with these people and their pet dogs was a fun yet informative distraction. The seafront was the highlight of this place, with its calm waters and an amazing view. Interactions and conversations with the locals gave us an insight to their lives in that tiny village. A short ferry ride took us to the Kerry beach for a quick snack break and a quiet and secluded beach. The first encounter with the village across the border, Reddy, was quite ironic when 40 of us walked right past a no women allowed sign. A village with no definite pathways was quite different from Tiracol. An entirely Marathi village, the crosses in front of the houses were now replaced by a Tulsi Vrindavan. Here we experienced true village life when a couple of cows came running behind us while we were sipping on some ice candy to beat the heat. All this while our classmates laughed at us from afar, almost like a movie scene. The contrast between the two villages was distinctive. There was a sudden change in culture and people's way of life as we moved across the border. A little detour saw us amid ongoing bamboo construction work at Conpac, an enriching experience showcasing the various stages of bamboo until its final product, marking the end of a wonderful settlement study.